morning, Crusader Nation. I'm Chris. Welcome back to another year of Crusader Nation news. During our time of temporary remote learning, we will share a new episode each Wednesday.
Hello, I'm Caitlin, here to share you with some RCS Foundation news. There is still time to participate in the Hometown Hustle Virtual 5K or Color Run Walk. The school with the most participants at each grade level will earn $500. Go to rcs-foundation.org to register. The last day to complete the Hometown Hustle is Saturday, September 26th.
Up for success with remote learning. If you haven't completed the RCS remote learning modules, visit the RCS Library Media to view the helpful videos. A link to the channel is in the information box below.
Hey guys, it's Kirtana, here to remind you about the schedule for remote learning. On Mondays and Thursdays, you'll have first, second, and third hour. On Tuesdays and Fridays, you'll have fourth, fifth, and sixth hour. On Wednesdays, you'll be having homeroom and extra support meetings, or if you need to meet with your counselor, this would be a good time. Constitution Day was on September 17, 1787. It was signed by 39 of the 57 delegates attending the Constitutional Convention. It has 7 articles and has been amended a whopping 27 times since the signing. Monday, September 21st was the International Day of Peace. The International Day of Peace celebrates the power of global solidarity for building a peaceful and sustainable world.
Thanks for joining us today. I'm Chris. We'll see you next week. As always, it's a great day to be a Crusader.